Hey guys, this is Luke Loves Potatoes here. Welcome back to another video of clowns. And if you notice, I don't have my regular my regular barge trained up. And I thought I would do another video. Cause my brothers, they started watching my channel because they said my other channel was crap, so they're not gonna watch this one. But then they started watching my videos, they liked it, and then Kayla, my little brother, asked if I could do it all air raid since he doesn't have the good loot for it and other stuff. I kicked him out of my clan, and then I left the clan because, well, potatoes. And anyways, guys, I'm gonna get this air raid started, and I don't know if you noticed, but my voice is really like different. I think I know why. It's puberty. Gosh dang you, puberty. Anyways, so we got the raid trained up. Let's see what we're using with 20 level 2 minions, 3 level 1 dragons, and 20 level 4 balloons. And guys, this raid took me like 300,000 elixir to train up. And that's not including the dark elixir. Anyways, guys, be thankful because you got loot for YouTube and you guys. And Christmas. I did it all for you, Christmas tree. I did it all for you. Anyways, let's get started. This place is pathetic. But since he still got a good level air sweepers, I'm not going to do it. Because, well, air sweepers are like everything. So if I can just... Oh, dude, I think I'm just going to really... He only has 2 air sweepers? What's 8, bro? Bruh. I need more elixir. I want elixir to make up for the loss of all my beautiful elixirs. Okay, let's see. I wanna have so many. Wait. Oh yeah, maybe. Oh. Okay. I don't know. That one was a little tricky. Oh. Okay. Hi. Anyways, let's keep moving. Ooh. You have 2 low-level air sweepers. Good trophies and equal. I think I'm gonna go for you because, well, turtles. All around the Christmas tree, it's a minion holiday. Sorry, I'm a bad singer. Oh God, that air sweeper is dropping my troops. I don't think I should have gone around. I think I should just gone from one compartment. God. No, take this air defense. You're dead. Did I just drop my heal spell? I meant to drop lightning. Oh God. Ew, okay, there's a star. Yay. No, not really. That's not that's like a boo. I should have lost this one. I'm sorry, guys. I failed you. Bad. I just gave this guy dark elixir because, well, turtles. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the raid. It's too embarrassing. Oh my God. Oh, that's so embarrassing. Ugh. Also, guys, there's a new Christmas update. So now, now you only need 1 gem for Winter Special. Boost all your resources for 1 gem. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna link my air defense. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna do this. Boost all? Yes, please. Boost all? Yes, please. Oh my gosh, you guys are so nice. Like, really. And then I'm gonna... Oh, wait, I can boost these too. Boost all? Yes, please. Woo! So we got that done. And I'm gonna trade... Wait. Can I boost these? No! No, God. Clash Clans, what happened? Yes, I can boost every color. Oh, yeah. Well, it's okay. So, well, I'm bored and I'm pretty hungry too. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my heal spell back that I lost dramatically, and then I'm gonna trade up a new air raid. Due to my collectors, I'll probably have enough elixir in a while. So I'm gonna trade up a new air raid. I'm gonna do like 6 here. 6 here. 6 here. And then we'll do 3 dragons. Oh god, that's enough. And then now I'm gonna do my beautiful looking minions because, well, beautiful. I probably should have more minions. Just because. Oh god, this raid is costing a lot. Oh gosh, god, wait. This raid costed less than the other one. I lost like 100,000 and I lost like 300,000 the other. It's trucked up. Anyways, Jacob! Yeah, I know, but I heard it on my video. It's annoying. See what I mean, guys? I live with 2 other brothers. It's kind of annoying. Anyways, stop it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to put this video on hold. Yeah, sorry, that was bad. That was bad. I'm going to put this on hold, and then I'll be back when I have an air raid. So, peace, my potatoes.